Well, it's 9:30 at night, and we're heading to Dumfries National Park. And I'm on the A75 at the minute. First time I've been on this road, and it's the first proper road trip in the van. So it's getting on a bit now. Karen didn't finish work till 6:30, so about 7:30 when we left the house, we thought we'd get the boring miles out the way, and then wake up in the morning, and then we can go and explore. So at the village of Fleet, or quite a bit above it, it's down that way there. Absolutely stunning. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Woke up a couple of times through the night, just like high winds and that. So we're going to head along the coast today. We're going to have a little drive right up the coastline, have a look, try and get a nice walk in, work off a big breakfast that we've just had. So we'll take you along. Morning. It's tidy now. Trust me, it wasn't. Was it?
No.
We're eventually going to get to Loch Lomond because there's a nice walk up there that Karen wants to do.
Trust me.
No, of course I want to do it. Of course.
You sound really enthusiastic about that. That Merrick Trail's here, by the way, and Ben Lomond is obviously.
But out of the two, you prefer Ben Lomond?
Yes.
Right. So that's what we'll do, but we'll go the coastal route. Haven't left a single trace of us being there last night. Absolutely brilliant little spot. My God.
We're like so on the edge of the Galloway Forest is what we're aiming for.
Wow. So we're going into the Galloway Forest.
Yes.
So we're not doing the coastal route then.
We'll have no plan. We're just flexible.
We need to have a look, don't we, because we're here, basically. So how far is that from here? And now we're on the edge of it, but
It's about this much up.
about an inch. Where are we?
Loch.
We are now in Ayr, and we've just come down to the seaside because that's how I roll. Going to make a cup of tea, stretch our legs for 10, and then we're going to head up to Loch Lomond from here. Kettle on, love. Still in Ayr. Just had an ice cream from Ronaldo's. You're not going to have one from there again. It was absolutely disgusting. Dive bombed by the birds. Right, Loch Lomond. It's 63 miles away from here, so it's 3:15. Probably going to catch a bit of the crap around Glasgow. Right. It's all pretty boring coming out of here once we've just come out this bit. Lovely little coastline line, I must say. Quite impressed. Houses are something else as well. It's a lot of very, very nice houses. Lots of money in there.
Lots of lottery winners, I was going to say. This is where they are from.
That's really nice. Nice place. Get some more time next time and explore it properly. She's in a hurry. Okay, we're heading into Lagginbed Caravan Park in Loch Lomond. And I think it's about the 3rd campsite that Karen tried to get booked on. It's just everywhere's full with it being bank holiday. Had to go up to the house on the hill. My God. She's friendly. Could smell the food like she was obviously having the dinner. I went, oh, we're just in time for dinner. She went, I'm in the middle of eating it. I know. Oh, absolutely gutted. Just lost 10-9. 10-9 at cards. It seems cooking tea. Got a stir fry going on. Got the winner standing there waiting for her tea. There we go. Sirloin steak with a nice stir fry and a hoisin sauce. Happy?
Thank you.
Happy you won?
Happy I won.
I'm happy I lost. I'm happy I lost. It wouldn't have looked like that.
Oh, shut up.